So today we are in AutoSketch Pro, which we've been working in for a while. I wanted to show a tool that I love and I've for you. So here I have a drawing, and this drawing here shows what I made, and it was really fast. I was able to create it really fast because of this tool here that I wanted to show you, a perspective tool. But before I do that, I'm going to make sure we're set up. I'm going to make sure we have our layers. And you of course can find your layer window from window here, and you pull it down, and then you can see your first layer in which we're working on. I just cleared it using that button, and then I'm just going to grab a simple pencil tool, which of course you can grab from Windows here, and you can find your tools. Here shows all your different tools again that you could be using, but we're just going to keep to the basic and use this pencil, and then you can change your width or the hardness and make sure that you have one that you like, that you can see. Here I have the color purple too, and so I might change this color here. So if I go to my color swatch, let's change it to blue. Alright, so here's your perspective tool, and here you have multiple different perspectives you could work from, and it creates your horizon line instantly. And so first you have your first vanishing point, you have two vanishing points to create 2-point perspective, you have 3 and then 5 to make a sphere. But I'm going to show you 2-point perspective. So here you have the horizon line, and you can move your vanishing points wherever you want, left or right, which is really cool feature to have. And so once you get that set up, I'm just going to click your tab, and that gets rid of all your windows for you. And then now I'm just going to show you through drawing. You point towards the vanishing point, and you draw towards it, and it instantly creates a straight line to your vanishing points. And this is incredible because instead of using a ruler and trying to line it up just right, you're able to create vertical lines every time, because when you're creating perspective drawings, you have to always have vertical lines, and then your other lines always go towards your vanishing points. So in one way, this is teaching you perspective drawing and reminding you how it works, and it also creates an easier avenue for you. So here I'm just creating one building, and here I can add in my windows, and of course I'm making sure that it's lining up to where I want it. And you have to be careful. Of course, you get comfortable with it, you go really fast. I found that if I go really fast, sometimes it doesn't go in the direction that I wanted. So for example, this one, it's shooting to the left one when I want it to be shooting to the right one. So I'm just going to undo. Oh, I gotta undo again. And then make sure that it's shooting to the right perspective point, to your right vanishing point. So I'm just going to keep drawing these in, and you're getting, and it kind of teaches you how to do perspective drawings naturally as you're going. It's a good tool, not only just to use and get used to, but it allows you to see how it works. So here I'm just going to draw in, I'm drawing in this road. Of course it's not perfect, I'm just showing you to see how this works. Let's say I want to make a tall building. I go past, go up higher than the other one, and then I'm going straight down, always vertical lines. So I just love this. I always loved drawing these in my sketchbook, and then it was just magical to be able to use this tool and how fast you're able to produce it. When before you had to use a ruler and you'd mess up, and then you'd have to erase the lines going to your vanishing point. You can create little buildings, and so here's a little city, and I just use that button. Whenever you push it again, those vanishing points disappear, and then you're back to drawing normally. And so that's the thing I wanted to show you, which is the perspective tool.